how to show what you are playing on Discord Mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can show what you are playing on your Discord mobile app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to show what you are playing on Discord mobile, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Discord application here. Once you launch the Discord app, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here, and then you want to simply go to this option here known as privacy and safety. Once you come to privacy and safety, just scroll a bit further below and you'll find activated status, and it reads display current activity as a status message. So turning this on, that Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage. So when you turn this thing on, if you're playing Roblox, on your activity section it might say this person is playing Roblox. Now in case that is not working for you, you can also set a custom status by tapping the set status option, tapping on set a custom status over here, and once done you can simply enter whatever else, such as now playing Roblox. You can just go ahead and then type that in here and then just tap the save option to show the changes. This way you can show what you are playing on Discord. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.